Comments in Python. There are two ways to write a comment in a Python. Let's see both of them. You can use hash to differentiate your code from the comment. So if we add hash and we can write here, this is the comment in Python. This way we can create comment in the Python where hash, after seeing the hash, the next part will be ignored and we will be consider it as a comment. There is another way to put a comment in a Python. So when you use a hash, it is like this comment is only for a single line. If you have a multiple line comments, how can we do that? So the second way to put the comment in a Python is in this case. So within a three quotes, you can add your comment, and this will be your multi-line comments. This is my multi-line comment. This part of code will be ignored. So if you see here, these are two different ways to put a comment in a Python. In the second type where we are using three quotes, this is the called as a documentation string, where whatever we are writing here, though it is ignored by the interpreter, still it will be used or it will be automatically attached to the object at the runtime. This string will be visible at the if you are using any documentation tools, for example PyDoc, then this kind of comments will be visible. It will be used as a part of the documentation which will give the details about the code or a program.